Okay, this is a 17 Touareg with an oil change. Okay, so first thing, let's put the cap, remove the cap, so we don't forget to put the oil in. I seen it. So for your beginner, remove the cap first. Okay, now I'm gonna set the car up on the lift and show you where the oil filter is. Oil filter is underneath the car. So this is a tough one, like to do on the floor. This is a tough one, but I'm at a shop here, so I'm gonna raise it up on the lift and then show you guys the location of the oil filter. Okay. Guys, if you could see, there's no air suspension on this car. If we had air suspension, you would have to turn it off on the display. But in this case, you don't have to worry about it. See, no air suspension. Air suspension will have a big air shock here. Okay, you will notice it. You will not see like springs here. It will be like a solid tank looking stuff. Okay. So in this case, I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the shield. This guy's here, 10 millimeter. Okay. You see the location of the filter. You get it with a 36 millimeter socket. This is the setup I use. Okay, 36, long extension. You get it through here, okay? Then drain the oil here. This is 30 millimeters. The oil filter is 25 millimeters. And then add 7.1 quarts of oil, okay? This takes a W40, we'll put on this one, okay? Yeah, a lot of technicians don't like this oil change because see, oil gets all over the place, it gets on you everywhere. So what I recommend you get the filter off, and then the cup you can slide through here. See that? Once you take out the filter, you can slide the cup through here. Same thing when you go back in, you're gonna put this thing first like that. You gotta find a way and then stick the oil filter in. And then turn it back over and slide it in. Pain in the neck. You can also, on some cars, you cannot even bring it down from here. You're gonna have to take it out from here. I think on the Q7 or on some Touaregs with the power steering line going around here, across, you cannot get this cup down like this. But in this case, I was able to slide it down. Okay. Two things. See the oil drain? You're supposed to get a new one, but if not, at least do the oil ring here. See that? Do a new one. That's the old one. And then on the oil filter cup, see the seal? Notice where the groove is, okay? This is where you're gonna put a new one, okay? Which I already have, okay? Okay, do that, put it back together, put the shoes back together. And like I mentioned before, put 7.1 quarts, and then we're gonna reset the oil light, okay? There it is. Okay, now let's let's reset the service light. Okay, so car running. Okay, you're gonna go here. Let's see, you're gonna go to you're gonna turn on the unit. You're gonna go to service. You're gonna go ahead and reset service interval. Okay, confirm it. Okay, that's that. Next service in 10,000 miles or 365 days. Okay, that's that. Now if you want to zero out the trip miles, it says, what it says, 8,006. So you want to go here on the right hand corner, the 2 little zeros here, press it, and that goes to 0, guys. And that's that. Okay guys, even though we reset the light on the display over there, it still says service. You're gonna get a reminder of when the service is due here on the display, but you still get the service light. Let me show you guys like that. Let me see if I get it to do it. See right there, service now. Well, this is when you need a VCDS or Rostec with Rostec on it. Okay, let me get this thing. Okay, sorry guys, this is a long oil change. So okay, from here you're gonna go to this Rostec, right, main page. You're gonna go to SRI reset right here. Okay, now from here, let it do its things, let it do all the values. It'll take a moment. Okay, now you're gonna go to the drop down here. See, once it's not doing no more adaptations. Okay, you're gonna go to North America, rest of the world. I usually do both options anyway, so let's go ahead and do the first one. And gonna perform. Let's go to perform. Okay. Because sometime it will be, the service light will be on for the inspection too, so that's why let's do both, just to play it safe. Okay. Okay, good, that's complete. Let's hit okay. Now let's drop down again and let's go to the second option. Okay, that way we'll do the inspection tool, perform. Okay, complete. You're gonna hit okay. Let's see now. Yeah, no more light. Okay guys, sorry guys, a long video on this Touareg and Q7 with the VR6 engines. They're not quick oil changes. Okay, so guys, hope you like the video. Okay, thumb up and subscribe guys.